Hello everyone. So today I have received this Dell motherboard whose model number, as you can see over here, it's a model number. It is given over here also. So we are going to check what problem this motherboard is causing. So here we have power button. I have powered on. As you can see, it's power on, but no display condition is there. I have connected my screen also, but no display on screen. So let me show its voltages first. Okay, this is our RAM section over here. So let me check whether okay 1.4 volt, which is of RAM voltage. Then let me show you RAM VTD. Okay, RAM VTD is also okay. Then we have 1.5 volt, I think over here, sorry, on this terminal, sorry, over here. Okay, 1.05 voltage. Okay, that's also good. Then I think check. Okay, here we have CPU VTD, I think, and as you can see CPU VTD is 2 less, and if our CPU VTD is not available, then our core will be also not available. So one thing I am going to try, just let me grab this. Okay, I am going to short this pin number 1 and pin number drain and source of this MOSFET, and let's check whether it's giving us display or not. So let me power on first. Okay, I have powered on and I have sorted two terminals, and I think our display is also available, as you can see on keyboard. Yes, I have simply bypassed this MOSFET and my display is also available, as you can see over here. Press the F1 key to continue, F2 to run setup. So in this motherboard I am not going to check why this MOSFET is not giving our correct voltage. I am just going to bypass this like this, and I am going to give it to customer, and let's check whether it is okay or not, because it needs nearly 1.5 volt at output as a CPU VTT, and I am giving 1.05 volt because we have 1.05 volt. As you can see, I have removed my jumper and now it's giving like this color. And let me show you voltage on this drain. It's 1.05, which is PCH operating voltage. I am just bypassing. After bypass, my display is available, and if I don't bypass it, okay, after bypass, as you can see, okay, so let me bypass it with the jumper, and let's check whether our motherboard is working fine or not. So we were working on this motherboard. So first I told you to make a jumper from drain to source, but one thing which I tried, I removed its resistor connected to its gate terminal, and here we have positive voltage and this is connected to gate. So I tried to make a jumper over from this point to this 3.3 volt line. Okay, but what happened after giving jumper, our display was available but it was hanging on that Dell logo, means, and that's why I checked its voltage, and here I was getting 0.63 volt, which is low. That's why it was hanging on our Dell logo. So that's why I removed this resistor on gate terminal and made a jumper from drain to source, and now we are going to check. So let me power on. Okay, powered on. Okay, we have display on screen also. Let's check. Okay, we have seen a Dell logo, and as you can see, strike F1 key to continue and all that, and as you can see we have our display. Okay, so in this motherboard, let me tell you a brief case study. When I received this motherboard, this is branded machines, Dell branded motherboard. So when I checked, there was no core voltage. So for core voltage, we have enabled through this MOSFET, which is CPU VTT. At output side, I was getting nearly 0.30 volt. So I tried to inject voltage on this source terminal. After injecting voltage, I was having display. So I checked for this circuit and we don't have any schematic for this. So I tried to remove this resistor connected to gate and inject 3.3 voltage, and after injecting I was having display but it was hanging on Dell's logo. So what I did, I made a jumper wire from drain to source. On drain we have 1.05 volt and on source we have now 1.05 volts, and we have our display also. Okay, I have powered on, and here you can see we have our display on screen also. I think display is available. Okay, it's taking quite little bit timing. As you can see, we have our displays available. So we have repaired our motherboard successfully by making just a jumper wire from drain to source. Thank you. Subscribe for more videos.